This video is brought to you by TS4U Engineering Bootcamp.
Our contents throughout the bootcamp we build in-house. Okay, it is unique. It is the mashed potatoes means because it is a position in the software development team. You will not be working alone. So you'll be learning many tools and technology. You'll be working with the many people, and that there is complex environment you will be into in any company you go. So our content is very extensive. Contents are very the dynamic as our students, like who does in the previous, the next will be different. But the core things we do not make changes. Core things you'll be always getting, because without the core and foundation, it becomes difficult for someone to become successful. So anyway, you can learn this content here, but I will go over the very details. Our content is, you will be the pro of software development lifecycle. You will become the pro, and you will become one of the team members throughout the bootcamp, the software development, like the framework, like development framework, like Agile Scrum. You will become the professional and efficient how to actually, what is the requirements, what is the analyze the requirements, and you'll be learning the software framework very details, like that we break down the software into the project into epic into feature into user story, and then continue. You will be pro on it because you will be working on it throughout the bootcamp. You will be actually performing efficiently the manual testing. Manual testing means when you actually do anything on your mobile app, it's called the manual testing. You are using the app, but actually you are actually testing. So manual testing is like this. Then you will be actually doing the automation testing, which is, instead of you are doing manually, actually we'll be teaching you the programming so that you can write the code and it will be done automatically. You will be learning the entire software development stack. What is the website? What is this called? What is the mobile app? What is the desktop app? What is the backend? What is the database? What is the integration? You will be learning all of this heck of a big deal throughout the bootcamp. This is very extensive because that's what you need to become a software quality automation engineer. On top of this, you'll be learning multiple databases, the non-relational database and relational database. We will be teaching you the Linux operating system, which is important, become the software quality automation engineer. The basic part, because that's what you need. We'll be also introducing some new tools. It all based on your performance throughout the bootcamp, because you only introduce the tools based on the students' performance. That's on the same bootcamp, you will be actually learning the JavaScript as the second programming language. So the first programming language will be Core Java, one of the highest the usages programming language in the industry that are used widely in all the major corporation, government, non-government, the private, public, and all the domains. So you'll be learning the Core Java, and then with the test automation, you'll be learning many framework and the many libraries. And then everything will be scratched from here. You will be learning and become efficient of the code repository and the CI/CD tools and the so on and so forth. And the second programming language will be JavaScript. JavaScript is it was used to be for the website development. Web development means whatever we see on the browser. Nowadays, JavaScript are used in the backend as well. You'll learn more details. I'm not going to be technical in this webinar. So you'll be learning the JavaScript because one of the dependency or one of the framework or the library called the Cypress. So using the Cypress, you can actually automate your website, automate your backend. You'll be learning that as well. And that will be actually combined, and the package will be the software quality automation engineer position and the bootcamp. And that's exactly we will be covering.